How to monetize TikTok account. So monetizing a TikTok account in this year involves leveraging various strategies because this has become one of the most popular social media and change the how we consume content forever. So as you know, there's a TikTok creators reward program which you can join creators for producing original videos longer than 1 minute. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 1 lakh views in the last 30 days, and earning range from $2 to 15, and it can goes a lot, right? So that is really interesting. And creators can design and sell custom merchandise such as clothing or accessory using POD, print on demand service. This only generates revenue but also strengthen the connection between creators and followers. Go live for virtual gifts, partner with brand and affiliate marketing. So in the end, there's a no something special sauce to get monetized on TikTok. You can do, if you have a good following over Instagram or YouTube, you can bring that audience to TikTok, right? That's a very good thing. But if you're starting from the very basic, then obviously you have to produce such content which is not available on TikTok or present in such a way that it's feel very unique and very new to watch it. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.